All right, for this one, um, rather than using just a resistor, I've actually got a device here known as a potentiometer, and I've got one right here. You can see there's 3 pins attached to it. Those pins are the center, so that's common. That common actually will connect to both of these at different resistances. Um, and then in the middle, there's a little, I can see with an arrow there, and there's a place where I can stick a little tiny screwdriver and I can turn that up or down. Now, for this particular potentiometer, it doesn't have a lot of resistance to it. You can get different kinds, but because there's not a lot of resistance to it, I did put another resistor in series. That's just so that I don't blow up my little light bulb here, because if I have too little resistance or no resistance on an LED, my LED will pop and become garbage. Sometimes you can actually hear them pop when they go. So what I've done here is I've got my positive wire connected to the center pin, that common pin I was referring to on my little sample, this little guy here. And I also have my resistor connected to one of the two terminals, one of the two outputs on the bottom. So this guy right here. The other terminal I'm just leaving alone. We don't need to use it. The general rule with a potentiometer is the closer the arrow is to the output you're using, the less resistance you have. So if you want to turn it up, so go to lower resistance, you turn it all the way towards your connected pin. If you want to turn it down, you turn it all the way towards or away from that pin. So now what I'm going to do is take my battery. I'm going to turn it all the way away. So in this case, towards the unconnected pin, and switch it on. And I'm going to see if I can do this with one hand so that I can free up my other hand to turn the potentiometer. So here we go. The potentiometer is all the way this way. If I turn it the other direction, you can see that the bulb actually gets brighter. Turn it away, gets dimmer. Towards brighter, away, dimmer. So effectively what we have is a variable resistor that can go to higher voltage, or sorry, higher current or lower current, depending on what it's in series with.